Alright, I'm gonna record a quick video of our new house. So this is the porch, a double driveway, a little shed in the back. There's Nilla Bean. Working on our little deck space. Gotta hang some string lights soon. Give you a little peek at some of the other tiny homes. You ready to come inside, Nilla Bean? Alright, come on, Nilla. So, when you come into the kitchen and the living room. Have a sleeper sofa. We just got our TV mounted today. And then immediately to the left is the sleeping loft. So you go up these stairs. And the first thing you see is Nilla's little corner, her little alcove. And then our bed. We've got like a little bookshelf. This is kind of the view from up here. Nilla knows she cannot walk up these stairs. They're a bit steep. Got a dishwasher, which is pretty exciting. A nice big gas range. Coffee setup. A little shoe cabinet. Pretty soon we're gonna have laundry. In like about a week and a half, we'll have our washer dryer combo right here. This is the bathroom. It has a little pocket door that you can open and close. This is our little tiny bathroom, but it's got some nice storage and a tub shower. This is the downstairs bedroom that we're actually using as an office. We've got a new rug coming in soon. There's all our clothes in those drawers. And the one closet that we have. And that is the tiny home.